All right, so this is the Millard's Kids Couch. This is the modular sofa for them, and it can also be transformed into like a little mattress. It's going to come like this. You're going to want to be really careful when opening the plastic, okay? Here's the instructions. You're going to want to open it very carefully and allow 2 days to let it like fluff up. It needs that time because it's been air suctioned. And after that 2 days, you'll be able to see how large it's going to get. It's going to look really cool. This is the little tool I found afterwards. Look for this if you do order it. That's going to help you open the plastic. But right out of the plastic, this is what it looks like. Obviously, you can tell it has a lot of fluffing to do. Love the color, love the quality of the material. So far, I'm satisfied. I also love the size. This is, again, about 20 minutes after I have opened it. So as you can tell, it's got a lot of fluffing to do. It's supposed to get up to 8 inches high. But again, the quality of the material is nice. I'm super excited that the material is washable. And this is perfect for my granddaughter's playroom. I'm so excited. Can't wait to update this video and show you what it looks like after the full 2 days. This material will obviously straighten out once it gets fluffier, but as you can tell, it's already well on its way.